Now, I understand it's hard for companies to find qualified engineers nowadays. Is that your experience?
Yeah, that's my experience also, because it's looking at the market nowadays, the lack of engineers is enormous growing. So yes, there is a big lack of experienced engineers.
Now, I understand that KCI is growing quite rapidly, so where do you look to find new engineers?
To find new engineers, we go international but also national. We do it with a lot of suppliers within us. It's part of our recruitment team. And especially in these events, we search for good engineers all over the world.
Now, you say you're bringing in engineers from all around the world, but are there any problems or challenges here? For example, cultural differences or different engineering insights?
There are differences, absolutely, especially looking at the international engineers who are working with us. 12 nationalities within KCI, and yes, we need to integrate, and that comes from both sides.
Now, I know that KCI works in a multidisciplinary environment. Is that an extra challenge for your engineers?
It is absolutely an extra challenge. It is, as an engineer, there is an enormous diversity looking at the multidisciplinary projects we have within the oil and gas, but also within the offshore. So it's absolutely a challenge for each engineer to come over to KCI and to work with us.
So if there's an interested piping engineer watching this video, can he send you his or her CV?
Looking at 2014 and rolling forecast, yes, you can send them over to us, absolutely. We're glad to have them.